Good morning, students. Today we will see exercise 3.5 of class 10 NCERT Maths. And you can see on the board I have written two questions. And these two questions are related to the properties of linear equation in two variables. So you know that there are three properties to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables. The properties are means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Then there is unique solution. Unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, so there are many solutions, means infinite number of solutions. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, so there is no solution. So we have these three properties. So by using means these three properties, we will see the problems which will be applicable in which property. So number one, you can see the question is, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? Means for which value of k. So you can see the equations 3x plus y equal to 1 and another is 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y equal to 2k plus 1. So you can see in the coefficient of x and coefficient of y and the part of constant, there are the number with variables 2k minus 1, k is there. So we have to find the value of that variable, and there is saying there is no solution, means the pair of linear equations have no solution. And you know that for no solution we have the property a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, means we will use this property. Another question is, so that the following pair of linear equations have no solution, means here asking to show, means two equations are given and we have to show, means these two equations are means have no solutions, that we have to prove. So how we will prove? By finding a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, and after that we will see in which property comes under these equations. So which property will come, according to that we will decide the means that pair of linear equations have no solution. So and here this is given no solution, so we will apply here property, will apply. By applying the property we will find the value of k, and here asking to prove, to show, then we have to find the property among these three, means which property will be there. Means to say it is asking to prove no solution, means this property should come. So let's see, the first question will solve. First question, this is a question. First of all, we will note down all the coefficients of x, y and the constant term, constant part. There is a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to coefficient of y is nothing, means 1 will be there. c1 is, when 1 will go that side, then that will be, c1 will be minus 1. a2 is 2k minus 1, b2 is k minus 1 and c2 is minus 2k plus 1. These are there. Now it is saying there is no solution. So for no solution we will use this property. So we will write since the given pair of linear equations have no solution, therefore what will be a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This is the property we will use, and after that we will put all the values of a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 and c2. So a1 is 3 upon 2k minus 1 equal to b1 is 1 upon k minus 1 equal to minus 1 upon, so both have the minus gone, then here will be 2k plus 1 and it is not equal. So first we will solve this and after that we will solve this. So now 3 upon 2k minus 1 equal to 1 upon k minus 1. By cross multiplication we will get 3 into k minus 1 and 1 into 2k minus 1. Then what will be 3k minus 3 equal to 2k minus 1. Now we will transfer 3k minus 2k equal to minus 1 plus 3. Therefore k equal to 2. Here k equal to 2 came. Now we will solve this portion, these two. So 1 upon k minus 1 not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. By cross multiplication we will get 2k plus 1 not equal to k minus 1. When you will transfer 2k minus k not equal to minus 1 means therefore 2k minus k not equal to minus 1 minus 2. So k equal to 2 and k not equal to minus 2. It means for k equal to 2 the pair of linear equations have no solution, because when k equal to minus 2 you will put, then you will get the solution. Because this is satisfying, because of this the pair of linear equations have no solution. Then what we will do, we have to write therefore for k equal to 2 the pair of linear equations have no solution. Okay, pair of linear equations have no solution for k equal to 2. So this is the way of solution. And another question you have seen, there is already it is means two equations are given, means we have to satisfy, we have to prove, means the pair of equations have no solution. So let's see how we will solve that question. Well, let's see the second question. It's saying show that the following pair of linear equations have no solution. Means these equations have no solution, that we have to prove. So for that what we will do, first of all we will note down here a1 equal to 1, coefficient of x is 1, b1 equal to minus 3, c1 equal to minus 3, a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to minus 9, c2 equal to minus 2. Now a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 upon minus 9, minus minus gone, 3 3 ja 9, 1 upon 3, and c1 by c2 equal to minus 3 upon minus 2, minus minus gone, 3 upon 2. You can see a1 by a2 is 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is 1 by 3, but c1 by c2 is 3 by 2. Means a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 both are same. So these two are equal and this is not equal. So what will be? Since a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2, then therefore the pair of linear equations have no solutions. Have you seen? Means in second question it was already this was not given, this no solution, this property was not there. We proved for no solution a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, and in the previous one this property was not there, and this property was there, and we by using this property we found the value of k, and here we proved this property. So this was the difference. So like that you will solve rest of the questions. Okay, thank you.